everyone thinks it's easy. Nothing is easy in this life. ठीक है ना? Everything comes with a price. Everything comes through struggle. Future predictions जो हैं basically it is a basically you can call it a analysis. ये एक analysis होती है जो भी जो साहिब इल्म है या ये कि the reader, the life coach or whoever is giving it, he basically works through all his knowledge, whatever he knows, to give one reading. And इस one reading में he has to make sure that he is not telling the lie या ये कि झूठ ना बोल रहा हो, झूठ he is not saying a lie, या ये कि he is just giving a cold reading. Cold reading जो है हमारे अब्बा ने कभी नहीं दी, और मैं तो सवाल ही नहीं पैदा होता जो काम मेरे अब्बा ने नहीं किया मैं करके दिखा दूं, मैं कर नहीं सकता. Cold reading, we are not cold readers. So it will be always to the point, and there will be something to prove what we are saying. When we say something to prove, that means that there will be something from your past, or maybe around you, or maybe you only know a secret that will be told to you, and that will all be done live.